Terry Zarling. I'm the owner of True Cool Air Conditioning. We started the company back in 1999 in Miami, Florida. Right now we're in the Florida Keys. I really enjoy the life of, we travel 5,000 to 10,000 miles a year in our RV with our dogs across the nation. What sets us apart, I would say, is that I concentrate on new technology, be it air conditioning systems or the technology to engage the customer at their level, whatever makes it easy for the customer to buy from us and to do business with us. I remember the first time I saw a relay back in the 1980s that had a little circuit board on the side of it that extended the runtime of the indoor fan motor, and I had to make a decision. I'm gonna be Bubba, gonna never engage technology, or circuit boards have entered the air conditioning industry. So right then I made a decision. You have to have your niche, and you have to be different, and you have to engage technology and give it a try. Our secret to customer service that makes us a little bit different is communication. We install monitors on AC systems to let the customer know as soon as there's a drop of water on the floor, or if the machine's not operating properly. If we need to make an appointment, we go ahead and set the appointment via text with them. We do maintenance agreements, and they're notified it's time to do it. They can set appointments online. Communication is the one word that makes us easy to do business with, and they don't want to leave, really. My opinion on adopting new technology as it enters the market is do it yesterday. We send agreements and proposals using OnCall Air. I can quote the job wherever I'm at. I try to design all these little systems to fit my personal life, and I'm trying to have everything work myself out of a job as much as possible, and it works really well. What's next for True Cool is continue to find ways that I'm not needed at my company and continue doing what we're doing, taking life as it happens on the road